Alright, so first we're going to remove the retaining clips from the cover panel on the grille. Now you can remove the cover panel. Remove the 2 retaining clips from the grille. Remove the 10mm bolts from the top of the grille. Now you can remove the 2 little panels that cover the 10mm bolts in the front of the grille. You just pry them from the inner side. Now you can pull the grille loose from the truck. In this case, this one had LED lights installed in the grille, so I had to be careful for the wires that were connected to the truck. Remove the 2 10mm bolts on top of the headlight. Remove the 13mm bolt in the inner fender well. This one's really hard to get to and you can't really see it, so you kind of just have to feel for it. Now you're ready to pull the headlight from the truck. Just make sure to be very careful not to scratch the headlight or the truck. Remove the 3 connectors on the back of the headlight. Remove the low beam dust cover from the headlight. Spin the halogen bulb out and remove it. Disconnect the halogen bulb. Connect the LED bulb so that the plus and minus symbols on the connector are facing away from the clip. Now you're ready to spin the LED bulb in and lock it in place. Lock it in place so that the wire coming out of the fan is facing straight down. Reinstall the low beam dust cover. Remove the high beam dust cover. Spin the halogen high beam out and disconnect it. Connect the high beam LED bulb the same way as you did the low beam LED bulb. Now you're ready to spin and lock in the LED high beam bulb. Make sure to align it so that the wire coming out of the fan is going straight up. Reinstall the high beam dust cover. Now it's time to put the headlight back in the truck. Make sure to plug the connectors back on the back of the headlight before putting it back in the truck. Now this will take a little bit of time to get it in there without damaging anything or scratching the headlight or the fender. Just make sure to take your time and be very careful. Reinstall the 10mm bolts on top of the headlight. Reinstall the 13mm bolt in the inner fender well. Put the grille back on the truck, push it in to lock the clips back in. Reinstall the 10mm bolts on top of the grille. Reinstall the 2 retaining clips on top of the grille. Reinstall the 10mm bolts inside of the grille and also reinstall the cover panels. Now it's time to put the main cover panel back on top of the grille and reinstall the retaining clips. Now you are done. If you have any questions about this install, be sure to leave them in the comments. And if you don't care, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching.